guys, Ready Set RC, and out again today. We got the Arrma Outcast 8S, running it on 8S. Gonna really see what this thing does on the T-Bone Racing ramp, guys. This is the Airtime ramp from T-Bone Racing. Haven't really done a quick walkthrough of what it looks like, but this is it for the most part. I'll give you guys a quick view of it. And I haven't really done this before, but just wanted to let you guys see what it looks like. But yeah, we're going to take the Outcast out on this and see what it does. This is what I bought the T-Bone Racing ramp for, was for these larger size RCs that I own, and wanted to see what it really does. But enjoy the video, guys. More dogs, more kids. Where that leads you rather than walking your ass. Just getting used to it. Oh God. Marriage made in heaven. This is exactly why I got the T-Bone Racing Airtime Ramp. Trucks like this. Whew. Wicked. This truck just stays planted. You got to love the Outcast. It just stays planted through those turns. So that's it, guys. Nice quick bash with the Arrma Outcast 8S on the T-Bone Racing Airtime Ramp. Oh, it's a match made in heaven, guys. This is perfect. I mean, I really do enjoy the Arrma Outcast, and on the T-Bone Racing Ramp, I'm really enjoying it, guys. It's set right now to the lowest setting, and I'm going to take you guys over there so you guys can see it. but there's several settings that you can set the ramp to, and right now I have it on the lowest setting, so I'm not going to get the biggest air, but I'm going to get the furthest distance on it, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. So on the ramp you have 3 settings. Don't mind that 4th one, I never use that, but there's 3 settings to set the ramp to. You have the first one here, which I have it set to, which is basically the biggest, the distance you're going to get on it, but you're not going to get that much height up from it. You're going to just get distance. And then you have the second, which is kind of that happy medium. And then you have the furthest one out here. I believe when I ran the Creighton V3, that was on the 2nd setting here. So you got a lot of air and you get a little bit of distance on there, which is great. And this one's just straight, almost straight up in the air, guys. That's the 3rd setting. As I said, I don't use the 4th, and I probably wouldn't recommend it because it's just, you're just getting straight air. You're not getting distance at all. If you're looking to do, you know, tremendous amount like quadruple backflips and front flips, then maybe that one's going to be the one for you. But these are the 3 that I've used. I've used these 3 in the videos. You've seen these 2. I've used this one off video. But yeah, this is a great ramp, guys. Very good ramp. I do recommend it. As of right now, I've ran it easily about 10 times and I've had no issues with it. The most I saw so far was there was a little bit of bowing, but it was on 100 degrees. So I think the temperature was actually causing that too a little bit, was that the temperature on it, the heat and searing on there. But as you can see now, looks really good. One of the skids over here has scraped a little bit, but not much. Not where it's hindering or causing any trouble on the truck. I'm just now noticing here, it looks like I'm missing a screw. Easily replaced. If anything, I'll just put a washer on there, but I haven't had any problems with it causing any distortion on the cars. But let's close this out. As I was saying, guys, great marriage between the Outcast and the T-Bone Racing Airtime Ramp. Love it. Really do love it. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram for our latest posts to the channel. This is Ready Set RC, signing out. Thanks again, guys.